Helo a chroeso I T Dawns yn Cnolfan y Millennium Cymru. Enw I yw Joe, fi yw'r cyfarwyddwr technegol I Cwmni Dawns Cenedlaethol Cymru. A heddi ni'n mynd I cael cip bach taith yn yr adeilad a hefyd cwrdd efo Ansiol am y cyfarwyddwraig artistig a cael gair gyda hi hefyd. So, dyna fi. So here on level 1, we've got the main production studio on our right, busy rehearsing as we speak. A lounge facility which doubles up as the dancers' lounge and front of house area during performances. So we'll pop to Anne's office.
The Dance House is a fantastic facility for the company. It's made such a difference to our lives, to our creative work, to the way we're able to produce everything here. We just have this fabulous facility, the Blue Room, and choreographers love being here. So now 5 years, actually a little bit longer than 5 years, the company's been in the building and we've created lots of new productions, had lots of young dancers coming in enjoying the facilities here, and developed Welsh artists. So from the Dance House, once we've created the work here, we go out on the road touring our work throughout Wales, into England, the rest of the UK and internationally. So it's so great for us to have this fantastic base for the company to then create the work and take it out to the world. As well as being a space for creating work, the Dance House is a fantastic studio theatre. It's beautiful to see new work that's been created actually performed here, whether it's the company dancers performing or other guest artists that come in and show their work in the Dance House. And of course, once the company has created their work here, we perform on the Donna Gordon stage here in the Wales Millennium Centre, and it's lovely for us to have that thread through in the whole centre with our work. The other joy of being here at the Dance House is being part of Wales Millennium Centre and sharing with so many other resident organisations. We're always partnering up and finding new opportunities, new ideas and interesting ways to collaborate. So it's lovely being part of a real art scene. For National Dance Company Wales, being here in the Dance House has just made such a difference to our lives. We can now work with the most amazing international choreographers, invite them into a world-class facility where they can do their best work creating fabulous dance for us to take on tour. So let me take you into the Blue Room. Let's go and see the dancers rehearsing.
This is the production office, where the hub of all the technical activities. Upstairs on this floor we also have full wardrobe facilities for making and designing. The facilities within the building are highly advanced, so we're incredibly lucky to be able to rehearse within a space that we then produce, design and tech within also. With full flying facilities, full lighting, sound facilities, which means we can completely recreate what we make here on tour throughout the majority of the venues we tour to.
So thanks very much for visiting, and come again, come and see what we're up to here in the Dance House.